So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to contact Invoice2Go Support. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Invoice2Go app. So from here, log into your account, do all that, and from there you can see underneath Home, Clients, Invoices, Estimates, and more. You can also check your account in the top right. And right next to your account should be a lot of stuff about security, maybe some helpful tips as well, but you will need to go to the bottom right for the More Actions button or the three dots icon. So click on that. From here, you can see cash flow, other documents, some items, expenses, and time settings, as well as insights and support all the way down. So from here, you can see help and refer Invoice2Go. So if you want to get to Invoice2Go support, so something that will help you, you will need to go to help. From there, you can see FAQs, you can see email and chat. So from there, start with FAQs, and it's going to be the most convenient way for you to get your information, since there's a lot of stuff, especially for beginners, that they cover in FAQs. So you can click on that. It's going to open up a new tab that's going to help you, and you can even chat or rather search for your problems within the search bar right here. So if you don't find your satisfactory answers right there, you can contact them by going to chat. Usually that's a chatbot. It's an AI powered chatbot that will guide you through your problems and give you a couple of solutions, or you can email them directly. So someone is going to tell you what the solution to that problem would be. So you can choose between those two. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Invoice2Go or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.